Alrighty, let's do this. Okay, so I'm just gonna voice over my videos so I don't get copyrighted. But yeah, if you don't like my voice, as they say, sucks to suck. Alright, we got John. Hey, John here cooking some rice. Oh, today's dish is Korean ground beef, which is just soy sauce, sesame oil, and ginger, a little bit of garlic, and brown sugar. I think that's all. Alright, speed it up. Cutting the ginger. Looking good. John is just mixing the rice. I don't know what else to talk about. Um, I'm gonna make videos like this every week, I guess. Just for myself. Leave something behind if I ever die. It'll be pretty cool. Wow, that sounds fucking depressing. Anyways, putting some soy sauce, not sure how much. Putting some sesame oil. Talking to John. Not sure what's going on. I'm gonna try to speed all this up just because this was like 3 hours of footage. Jesus Christ. Putting sugar in there, not sure how many spoons I just put in. But oh, sick video editing. Alright, cool. John's putting the meat in. Sounds good. Meat's still like half frozen. No problem. Got the other big ass meat. Yeah, you better wash your fucking hands, John. Alright. Looking good. More meat. Alright. Looking good. Only half the meat. Saran wrap that shit. So, oh, okay. Alright. I'm putting some garlic in there. So, first I cook the ground beef. And then I put the garlic in. Mix it a little. Bada bing, bada boom. And then in another bowl, I put soy sauce, sesame oil, ginger, brown sugar, and I think that's it. Oh, and pepper. Oh, and chili flakes. But we don't got chili flakes. So I just put in pepper. A bunch of pepper. Okay, now I'm just swinging the fucking thing. Ooh, fucking idiot. Alright. I'm meal prepping for four guys here. One meal each day, 7 days. Yeah, because they're pretty busy with work and shit. So I just meal prep. We'll look at that back. Anyways. So yeah, this is for the first dude. This for that dude right there. That dude with the mustache. Alright, meal prepping for him. Bada bing, bada boom. So, we got the Korean ground beef over there. John's just what is he doing? Making broccoli. Oh, bada bing, bada boom. All right, already done. Holy shit, man! The magic of video editing. All right, so oh, he was doing the broccoli. All right, sounds good. So all right, we got seven meals. Boom. I don't know what I did here. I slowed it down. Oh, okay. I'm just showing you guys that, it's done. Alright. There's John. Oh, by the way, that's me. The half naked dude. The other dude is John. Hasn't been saying his name. Yeah. Bop. 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 Bada bing. Bada boom. John, take this. Take this. And just take 3. Haha. Peace. Second meal done. Alright, third one for John. Yeah, so I like to make my meals last. I don't know why. I'm I'm a fucking weirdo like that. I like to get everyone's meals first. Sorry if my voice is monotone. I don't give a fuck. Oh yeah, so I put rice, broccoli, and the ground beef in. Fuck. Well, I'm gonna edit here. It's just me cleaning. That's it. Holy shit. Is all. Is all. I mean, I got nothing else to show you guys. Oh, I ran out of ground beef there, so bottom right, added bologna, 4 pieces of bologna. Man's had to substitute. Other than that, I think that's it. Adios, amigos. Wow, look at him hand washing. Wow, Jesus Christ. Ooh, clean kitchen. Wow. Alright, fade away.